Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the VicTsing computer mouse. How would you pronounce it? VicTsing. Right? Tell me how you would pronounce that. That's the name. Alright, so I recently purchased this mouse and I've been using it for about a week, and the reason why I had to get a new mouse was because the previous one broke. It finally broke after using it for a while. And as you know, when I go onto Amazon and I do my research on products, I look at the reviews and I find, the best one for the price. And this one was about $15.99 Canadian, so less than 20 bucks. And it had thousands of reviews, above 4-star reviews, between 4 and 5-star, thousands of reviews. So this computer mouse right here is one of the best selling on Amazon.ca and .com because they both on .ca and .com have thousands of reviews. So mine broke, and in the meantime, when I had to wait for this to arrive, I actually had to use this old school wired regular computer mouse, and it was really annoying because you don't realize it, but when you switch over to wireless, this cord is really annoying. It's in the way, and it when you have it on the computer and on the desk and it's moving a certain way, it will push the mouse in a direction that you don't want it to go in. And it's quite a hassle. Plus, that mouse right there, that one was really slow. Slow in that it wouldn't track my hand movements very well. It was moving really slow, and it was not something that I was used to, so I was really wanting to get the new one and try it out. So it comes in a box like this. Very simple, small, tiny box. Got the black and red one. Comes with a little manual here with all the stuff that's how to use it, but it's pretty basic. It's just a computer mouse. Now, using that cheap computer mouse, I did not want another cheap one that was going to be slow and just ergonomically didn't feel well. Right off the bat, it's red and black, and it's got a lot of functions, more than usual, more than a regular mouse. So you can see that it's quite ergonomic for the thumb and the hand. It feels nice. It's not too small. I once got a mini mouse from, not the character, but a really tiny mouse from Dollarama because I thought it would be neat to have a really small one, but if you're on the laptop for a long time, it ended up making my hand all curved and just not what I wanted it to be. So I want a mouse that can just fit my hand and I can just place it on top, not where you're doing a claw thing. So I've been using this for about a week, and it's fast. It's pretty fast in its tracking and its movements, and it also has different speeds. So if you press this button right in the middle, it's called a CPI button. And when you press it, it has different speeds. The lowest one's already pretty good, and I don't use the fastest one. I'm kind of in the mid-range because the fastest one is way too crazy. So I'm just sort of at the standard setting. It's also got, the 2 buttons here, standard 2 buttons. It also has 2 buttons on the side here for your thumb. That's a forward and backward button. It's also got the little scroll tracker, so you can go up and down. You can also click on it as well. And I like that the dongle, the USB thing, fits into the bottom, and you can store it away because these things are really easily lost. So that's cool. You can place it in there. And it takes one AA battery, and I use EBL batteries, which are rechargeable batteries, and these also I got on Amazon. So it just takes one battery like that. Now it says that it can last up to 18 months. Obviously I haven't tried it for that long yet. If it gets over at least a year, that's really good because then you don't have to worry about changing the batteries all the time. So one thing to note is there is no actual on-off switch. My previous one actually had an on and off, but they don't have that here. And so how it turns off is a couple of different ways. So first thing is, if you have this plugged into your laptop and you remove it, the mouse will automatically turn off. If you turn off your computer and laptop with this still in it, the mouse will automatically turn off. And if you don't use your mouse while your laptop is on with this in there for 8 minutes, then your mouse automatically turns off. So you don't have to worry about, leaving it on and then, batteries being wasted, because even though my other one did have an on and off switch, I would forget to turn it off sometimes. So overall, I've been pretty pleased with this mouse. I mean, it was $15.99 Canadian. I really like the ergonomic shape of it, as it really caters to the hand, especially the thumb area. And if you're on your laptop for a long time, like we are, these things kind of matter over hours and hours in a day. Try using a crappy mouse for hours and hours and you will notice a huge difference. Now, the only downside that I have with this mouse is that the color was not the same as what was displayed online. So this mouse comes in a whole bunch of different colors, and I chose the black and red one. And on the pictures, the red looked more vibrant, but when I received it, it was more of a lighter faded matte metallic red, which is, it's fine, but I thought it was just going to be more of a vibrant red. It's not a huge deal. It has nothing to do with the way it works. It's just I wanted a more vibrant red, but am I going to return it? No. So I would definitely recommend getting a mouse like this if you need an upgrade. If you are still unwired, I would highly recommend getting a wireless mouse. So if you guys want to check this one out, you guys can head down to the description below. I will have the links for you guys. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.